Hi everybody, how are you? I hope you're good. I am here to do a product test review. It is a sound amplifier equipment. It is made from SHIDU, SHIDU. And it comes in this nice box. It's packaged really good. It is model SDM900. Has directions. I had it out so I could test it because I wanted to let you guys know. But this was on this. So you get the amplifier itself, you get the belt, you get the headphone sets, you get the plug-in. So let's discuss this a little bit. All right, it's a voice amplifier user manual, and you can use this for recording. You just insert a micro SD or TFD card or US flash driver. Also, it also can be used as a Bluetooth with your phone or any Bluetooth, whatever you Bluetooth it to. Alright, and I can't play music through it because I don't want to get in trouble. But we're going to test out the microphone because it's a headphone set. It's a little mic right here. You put it on your head and it plugs into the side. You have the Audix to charge it on this side. Right there. Okay. Then you have for the mic. And plug it right in there. On and off is in a button or in the center. And you just hold it for a couple seconds. And it makes the sound.
Bluetooth is waiting for a connection.
I don't want the Bluetooth today. So, hello everybody. How's this sound for you? Ooh, see, I'm a little too close to, because it's squeaking, but that's normal. But I am using it as we speak right now. There is buttons on top to, let's see, Bluetooth is waiting. We don't want a Bluetooth right now. We're just going to use the microphone like I am talking to you guys right now. It probably would sound pretty odd. Let's see. We have, okay, key power switch play pause is number 2. 1 is power switch. Number 2 is short press M to select working mode Bluetooth, USB, flash drive, TF, Audix. Okay, so the center is the on and off, and you have backwards, forward. The M is the mode key. Okay, and this one is 5. Ooh, get too close. Oh, right here would be the recording key. Right there's the recording key. So this is kind of cool. I like the Bluetooth. I'd probably use it as more of a Bluetooth than the microphone. Get the handle where you can clip the handle on right here and carry it like a purse or sideways, and you'll be able to use that function. The only thing that we noticed when we had it outside today and we're using it as a Bluetooth, there's no volume on this. So you would have to use your device that you're connecting with the Bluetooth for the volume. It's the only thing I wish they had was a volume on here to turn me up or turn me down. And that there is not. And for being a voice amplifier, you would think there would be a volume. So that's the only downfall we found, that it's not that loud. But it's, I guess when I was looking and I watched some videos, it was like you wear it when you're walking around in a church service, I guess. But it wasn't that loud for us as a Bluetooth. So that's the only thing I didn't find that wrong with it was that you had to use your phone or whatever device you Bluetoothed in for the volume. But I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.